Okay, love bugs, summer is officially here. I think we have about 5 days real time before summer has arrived, and it already feels like summer here in California. I mean, it never rains here, but it really is starting to kick up with the heat, which I'm not excited about. But this here is the perfect summer wig for me. This one here is from Klaiyi hair, and they sent over their beautiful 24-inch 13x4 Jerry curly and water wave lace wig. Yes, you heard it correct. This one here is a Jerry curl and water wave combo. That means you get the best of both worlds in one wig, and I'll be sharing all the deets on this today. This one here is going to be the perfect wig to be able to throw on, you know, with your summer styles and kind of just set the mood and the vibe. I love this one because you can define the curls really nicely on Monday and just wear it throughout the week and let the curls get bigger and a little bit more frizzier, and it just becomes a vibe. I'm going to show you guys how I installed this one in 10 minutes or less. Of course, I have a direct link to this beautiful girl down below, but if you want to see how we got the look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Okay, the bucks, so this is what the wig looks like on. I think I already did this whole mumbo shumumbo with you guys, but the camera just magically cut off, so I don't know where we left off, but this here is what the hairline looks like. This is a frontal, so you'll be able to slide your hairline or your edges back. And again, I forgot to grab edge control out the bathroom, so we're using Shining Jam, and this camera battery is about to die too. I don't know what's going on. All my camera batteries are dying. Not nice. Looks nice and clean. Let's switch the battery again and see what is going on with this camera. Okay, so it looks like we got a full battery finally. I don't know, I did something weird, but let's go ahead and melt the lace down. I'm going to use a melting spray, and then we're going to go ahead and tint the lace and add some baby hair.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like, woo, big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it.
Okay, love bugs, as I mentioned in the intro, we have a new hair texture on the market. This one here is the Jerry Curl and Water Wave collab. It's a beautiful curly texture. It gives fluffy and full, and I am loving it, and so are the people. Now, I've only been out with this one for a few days, and everywhere I go, I get compliments. And of course, I have to let them know this is Klaiyi hair. My hands glide through this one super smooth, so it's not tangly by any means. It has a beautiful, nice, deep coil, but also your fingers are able to run through it. Definitely a hot new item, and I am for sure gonna leave all the details on this one down in the description box.
I trust me, I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission like, woo, my rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking?
Okay, love bugs, fast forward 1,025 hours, and this is the look. As promised, I did go ahead and beat my face so you guys can really catch the vibe. You guys know I love to do my makeup every day. I just love to look cutesy, so you guys can see how beautiful the hair is. And of course, she looked amazing today when I wore it with no makeup, let's be clear. But I do like to go ahead and do like my makeup and give you guys the final result. This is what the hair looks like, and again, it's been a busy, hectic day, but this is the look. I have not even touched the hair up. All I've done is put these gold clips in to pin it back so that I can go ahead and do my makeup really quickly. And again, this is the way it looks. We did no dynamic duo today, which you guys know I kind of feel a way about that. I love my dynamic duo, and even like right now I feel like the hairline would pop so much more if we kind of put this wax here in the front. So let's just do a little bit and pair it with that hot comb.
For me, I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it.
Now, I don't know if you can tell on camera or not, but see how like this side is not that bad, but you see how it like snatches the hairline and gives it such a great definition. We're gonna do this side, and then you just kind of like touch up the baby hair. And again, it just is those little subtle things that really take your install to the next level.
Please, wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that is the look and the vibe. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back.
My time. Yeah, I'ma make you.
Okay, so one thing I want to mention is, again, I've been out all day, so the ends are a little bit more dry, as you guys can see. We're into water sports and all of that, so you can imagine. And then up top here, it is a little bit more like crunchy, if you will. I was using the Lotta Body mousse, and as you guys can see, I'm down to the very corner of it. So I did incorporate a little bit of this one, and this one is by Red by Kiss. And this one tends to be a lot more crunchy. So like up in here and in the back, it's a little bit more crunchy. So I'm just going to take this Miracle Curls Curl Dividing Oil, and I'm going to take a generous amount. That's 2 large pumps, and I'm just going to focus this on like breaking the cast. And to me, breaking the cast is simply when your hair is like hard or crunchy, and you kind of just add an oil to kind of like soften it without like re-wetting the hair, if that makes any sense. Then I'll do the same thing on the opposite side. 2 hefty pumps. That was like a pump and a half, and that looks so much better. I kind of like my hair to have a little bit of frizz to it, because like silky straight hair is nothing wrong with it, but of course when it has a little frizz and a little texture to it, that definitely goes well with my vibe. And again, it's kind of bothering me that I didn't do the dynamic duo up here, but we move. Okay, love bugs, before we head out, let's do a quick little updo. Now, I'm all for a style, but lately I've been trying to keep up with the other races. Now, as black girls, you guys know we kind of don't play about our hairstyles when it comes to the hairline, when it comes to all of the things. We really don't miss, but sometimes you gotta just take a page out of the other type of hairstyles there are. And I feel like in other races, they don't pay attention to the parting the way we do. Now, I'm not saying I'm giving up the good parting. What I am saying is sometimes it's just so simple and easy to grab your favorite ouchless scrunchie and pull your hair back and just have fun. And that's exactly what we're doing. We're not worried about if it's perfect or it's neat. We want to be snatched, but we also want to be cute. And then from here, you can add a little bit of mousse, because you kind of have disturbed the piece of that hair a little bit. So you want to make sure it all looks good. And just like that, you've created a little bit of height and dimension in your wig. You've gotten your hair out of your face for, you know, it's kind of hot. And of course, if you're a mom like me, you always got something going on. And then of course, it's nice and sassy and so cute. We got the 501 Levi's shorts out and the cute little short set. So this is a perfect way to go ahead and switch it up a little bit without doing too much, right? Let me know what you think of this look in the comments. Now let's get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so now that you guys seen the quick little tutorial, let's go ahead and check out the packaging. As I mentioned, this one did come from Klaiyi, and of course they have some of the best packaging on the market. For starters, how cute is this little tote bag? You guys have seen this before if you kind of watch my content. It's a cute little tote, and it does say Klaiyi on both sides, but this is perfect for anything. This is a great catch-all bag. I know my kids, sometimes I hand them to them and they use them for like lunch bags when they go to the dance studio. Sometimes they're a catch-all just to grab things and put them in the car. And of course, a great way to store your wig. Inside of this little bag was our actual box. How nice and beautiful. I love the green on green. And then inside you open it up and you got a couple of stuff. For starters, we did use the melt belt, and this is the Klaiyi melt belt. We got to represent. Beneath that, we did get a pack of HD wig caps. So you are good to go, so you can have something to protect your hair underneath your wigs. And then of course we got a baby hair brush. This is like a key thing. If you don't have one of these and you wear wigs, I don't even know, like, are you living under a rock? This is a great one because it's upgraded. It has the brush and the comb on this side and the rat tail on the opposite side, which is literally all you need. And the icing on the cake is it does come with an additional brush head. That way when the first one gets a little cakey, you guys know when that spray that got to be glued melting spray and that edge control mixes up, it kind of locks up there in the craziest way. So it's great to have a backup of the brush. That way this can last you a good little while. And then last but most certainly not not least, we did get a dust bag. So if you want to use this cute little tote that they provided as like a lunch bag or for something else, you also did get your Klaiyi dust bag, and this is a perfect home for your wig. It's nice and soft and like satiny, silky for that luxurious feel. That way your hair is protected even while you are storing it. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. I enjoyed wearing this hair today, and this is going to be my go-to for the week. It is heating up here in California as if it's not already always so hot and sunny. It's getting extra warm and extra humid, so this is the perfect wig for me because I kind of like it when it gets a little big and a little fluffy and a little frizzy. And of course we slayed the hairline, and I'll be able to keep up with it with my cute little milk belt. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Of course, you guys know I have a detailed whole description box going on down below. Everything you need to know is down there, including a direct link and the deets on this hair, so be sure to check that out before you head out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.